Beat the heat. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're diving into a very topical phrase, especially during summer: beat the heat. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Beat the heat is an idiomatic expression used to describe various ways people try to stay cool in hot weather. It doesn't involve beating anything physically. Instead, it refers to finding creative or effective methods to avoid the discomfort of high temperatures. This phrase is particularly popular in regions with hot climates or during summer months. The origin of beat the heat isn't precisely known, but it likely emerged from everyday conversation. The word beat often implies overcoming or managing a challenge, while heat is self-explanatory. Together, they form a catchy and vivid expression that perfectly captures the struggle against sweltering weather. Here are some examples of how to use this phrase. 1. During the heat wave, many people visited the beach to beat the heat. 2. Our town has opened several cooling centers to help residents beat the heat. 3. I prefer to stay indoors and drink iced tea to beat the heat. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal strategies to community-wide efforts. There are other phrases with similar meanings, such as cool off, to lower the body's temperature or to relax. Chill out, to relax or calm down, often not related to temperature. We hope this video helped you understand and appreciate the phrase, beat the heat. Remember, English is full of colorful idioms that make learning it both challenging and fun. Stay cool, and see you in our next video.